Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for ways to generate extra income from your stock holding, especially in this bearish market, particularly in the US, right? This video is for you. Today, I'm going to dive into covered calls, one of the simplest way to effectively earn some extra income whilst still holding the shares of that particular security. In this case, I'm going to use the example of Walmart, which I currently hold in the interest of full disclosure. But as I always say, this channel, I create content for educational and entertainment purposes, even though I'm going to be using a classic example of a stock that I'm holding. Now, the most important thing is to simplify things, at least for me. So, what is a covered call? All right. So, simply put, a covered call is an option strategy where you sell a call option on a stock that you already own, which means that you get paid a premium upfront in exchange of agreeing to sell your shares at a specific price known as the strike price.